Would you believe I gave that up just so that I can make some content for you guys? So what I often do is I decide that I'm going to close half of it so that I can actually manage my ego, which is another part of risk management. But it seems like it might be another day where we're sitting down in a little bit of drawdown. So if you did want to play FOMC, you have a higher chance of making money. My heart is going crazy right now. This is why you don't trade the news. Now we fucked it. And then guess what? I'm going full margin again. Like this, I understand why people get addicted to this because I had to win. Week 3 is starting, but I'm in my home for some reason. My mom came to visit over the weekend, so naturally I had to take care of her. I'm not forcing her to sleep in my Jeep. You know, I have to be a good son, comes first. So over the weekend, I spent nothing. I'm just watching the first video, and the editor, Amos, is absolutely killing it. These are really fun videos to watch and make. I'm having a ton of fun. It's interesting seeing myself in the first video. I was quite stressed. What's nice is I'm getting more into the groove of things, and the peace that I'm getting from living outside by the lakes and whatnot is actually really beneficial to the psyche of trading. I'm going to finish up some office work here, and then we're going to be headed back out looking at some other locations that I want to set up at. Really gorgeous island looking place that I want to go back to. So we will be going back. As for the market conditions, things are doing great. We just hit 10% profit on the personal account, which is awesome because the goal is 5% per month. And with Top Step, this is our funded challenge now. I am just shooting for minimums. 800 in profit there. And all I'm going to do for the next couple days is get $200 a day so I can get my first payout. You can join the DMC Discord. Link should be in the description of these videos, and you can see all the live streams and trades that we're doing, and you guys can learn how to do this as well. I am just so blessed to be able to still experience this. Would you believe I gave that up just so that I can make some content for you guys? I miss waking up to the sunrises here. I woke up very early this morning, and let's look at the market because I put some stink bids in. Now the strategy that I use is dumb money concept. The concept basically revolves around the fact that we have to look at where the closes of candles are, right? I see on the higher time frame that we have this consolidation here. So this is the area I'm trying to buy. And as we close beyond it, I suspect that it comes back down into it and then continues the new high. Now, what I need to watch for is this candle close, which closes in 4 minutes. It's attempting to make a new low right now. We have to fail to make a new low here. So it has to come back up and we have to close above. It's somewhere in this range in order for us to continue back up. Ideally, we would close above this green line and then that'll give us new highs. But if we only close above this level, most likely we're only going to be retesting the origin of this move rather than making new highs. Whoa. That's gorgeous, man. So because there's no major level here on the 4 hour, the 4 hour is not super important. We drop down to the 2 hour. And as I said, it failed to lose that level, which to me tells me it's going to be coming back up here. If we look at the 1 hour, you can see sort of a similar thing. Now I will have an extra buy limit down here just in case we want to pick up another, but I'm still relatively bullish for the day despite having that bearish open. So I'm going to sit in this trade and let it run. What I basically don't want to see is closes below my buy limit. That buy limit is resting on an 8 hour level. And that's the whole logic that you're looking for. If it fails to lose a level, it must go in the reverse direction. Right? As you can see, it's coming up now. And if it loses the level, it will continue in that direction. Quick update on this. You can see it came back to the level, which was that 2 hour level, and it rejected off of it. Now it's failed to lose this level here and start going for new highs now. If this closes in the next 40 seconds, which is looking pretty good, this level's already been tested. So most likely it's not going to be respected again. It's going to continue to the next level up. And that's going to leave us with some profit here, hopefully. Right, so the trade started to go against us. We had added to it, so we had 2 contracts, as the maximum allowed is 2 micro contracts, and it went against us a little bit. We got a bad close, and I started feeling a feeling of hope. Once I feel hope, I know that that's me not trading anymore, and it's me gambling. So once I felt that, I now need to do something interesting. I need to get out of that trade. Issue is, if it then goes in my favor, my ego is going to be really hurt that I made the wrong move. So what I often do is I decide that I'm going to close half of it so that I can actually manage my ego, which is another part of risk management, because tilt is the most difficult thing for you to manage. Is the most likely thing to make you blow your account and have issues in the long run. So when I'm wrong, I often just hedge myself so that I can feel right, no matter if it goes in the right direction or the wrong direction. I closed out half, and if it goes in my favor, I still feel right. If it goes against me, I still feel right for closing some of the position. It went against us. We got some bad closes. We closed it out, right? So we do have a little bit of a loss running, and I'm going to let that run for the day. We got another parking lot today. There's a little lake here. It is FOMC FOMC day. Usually overnight, I put little stink bids somewhere just in case it wicks down. It wicked down, it got the trade, it was in some nice profit. The market open has just dumped straight back down. 4-hour close bearish, so I'm getting out of the trade. I'm gonna wait for it to come back a little bit more, and then I'm gonna enter long once again because market overall in my mind is bullish, but it seems like it might be another day where we're sitting down in a little bit of drawdown. I was hoping that today and yesterday I'd be able to get enough money to be able to get that payout, but it might take a little bit longer than we expected. Still have probably another day of food, so we'll show you the market here. This is the funded account now. Just filled another one. I did close out some after that 4-hour close. We're sitting at $800 profit. Usually FOMC days kind of just range all day until FOMC and there's a massive spike. But if it goes the reverse direction, so if it really dumps super hard today, oftentimes FOMC will continue back into the major trend. So if you did want to play FOMC, you have a higher chance of making money by following back into the trend if there's a dump in the reverse direction, of course. My heart is going crazy right now. I just had the most insane live stream. On the funded here, if it goes against us on the open, we're going to add as much as we can while making sure our risk is safe. So we have how much to work with. We can go down to negative 1,000. So I could go 2,000. Honestly, when news hits, it's 50-50 what direction it goes originally, okay? There's no prediction if it jumps down or jumps up immediately. If I blow the account, I would say a 30 to 40% chance to happen right now that I just blow the account. In that case, we'll figure it out next week. 1 minute, 60 seconds, 50 seconds. Okay, I'm closing out the personal. Closing out the personal there. Okay, this is real fast. Holy shit, there it goes. Yeah, order baby. Filled. Let's go. Woohoo! I need to get out of that because it might reverse right there. Personal account, I'm glad I'm not touching right now. Okay, if it comes all the way down here, we're going to double up again. We already closed out some. One more push and we'll get another position out there.
Order filled.
Nice, nice. Okay, we made the 200 today. That's great.
Order filled.
Close that. Let it rip, let it rip, let it rip. Further, further, further. Close that.
Order filled.
There you go. There you go. 750. Okay, so I think they might sell it off in this zone now and then start filling more orders, okay? They released the numbers, which was expected, right? Actual was expected. And when it was expected, we knew that it would rip back up because that's good for the market when it's expected, right? So now if Powell says some bullshit, he's going to say, good morning or something, and it's going to crash back down, and then we can get these orders. I'm going to place another safer order because I do safe orders on my personal, right? Limit here. So if it does come back down, we can still get that position, and we ended up making $100 today now so far. 1,600. I'm actually super happy with that. Tomorrow, if I get 200, then I'll have 1,800, which is enough. If it does come down here, we will add to it. There's the fill. Should we buy one here?
Order filled.
We'll take one there. Take
order
one there
filled.
too. The combine, we're gonna fucking YOLO it as well. Let's do it, baby. Look at that. That's decent buy, decent entry. Right on those lows, right? Let's go. Fill it up some more.
Order filled.
Okay, shit, it's going down deep. Oh wow, that's 100 negative already. We'll add another limit there. That's no good. That close is gonna be really bad. We might have to close that. Okay, we gotta get out of this. We gotta get out. No! Okay, wait. Fuck! I'm gonna let that go. Okay, we fucked it. We fucked it. We fucked it. Well, we fucked it. Should we just full margin? I don't know. Oh no! Did they literally hit like exactly our stop? If the 30 rallies back up and closes, we got 12 minutes on the 30, then we can get back in. But that 15, we have to watch that 15, you know what I mean? The saving grace is, I guess that's kind of going still. This one's got no stop loss. This is why you don't trade the news. Now we fucked it. I should have left it, bro. I should have left it. Okay, we'll have some water and chill for a moment. And then guess what? I'm going full margin again.
Order filled.
Should we do that? Might continue down more. We're going to start scaling in again. I should actually be long on this. Fuck. On the personal. It's just going so fast. This is why you don't trade news. It's very difficult to think.
Order filled.
We're going to close that, wait for a pullback a bit, and we're going to get back in this properly. We've got this one still running, so I'm happy if it just rips up, because then we have near another funded. I want to get a pullback and then at least lock in the $200 today on that single contract. This is the plan now, boys. Powell's going to speak and cause some more bullshit. I didn't get the fill on the personal. 50 seconds on Powell jumping on. I think Powell's like, I don't think it's going to be an instant thing though. I want to get maybe an order there now, and then I'll just leave that. Probably going to come back down there right now. We're actually going to add to it if it comes down. We're going to add more in that range. As I said, we're fucking full margin in here. 4 hour had that nice bounce off there. So this is likely not to even come back down here. There we go.
Order
okay.
filled.
Filled. Okay, we're going to leave that now. That's just such an incredible wick that is pretty decently safe.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the full margin time now. We'll go full margin again.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Fill that. We need that much only on the challenge. Okay, we're going to leave the challenge to just sit like that now.
Order filled.
Okay, that's okay. That's more or less going to be full margin now. That's where we're going to blow, right? Let's go, baby. Rip it. Please rip it. Bro, this is so crazy. We might be cooked, bro.
Order filled.
Well, I think we're done. We might be done. That's the last order. 30 minutes going to close again, and it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. 6 minutes on it. I'm just like back and forth with emotions non-stop, man. Non-stop back and forth with emotions. Oh, that one. Did that one blow? Shit. Okay, that one blew. Combine blew. We will have nothing if this goes wrong. We will have nothing. We'll have $230 of cash and no food and no challenges if this goes wrong. No, no, no. Keep going. Keep going. Close above that. Fuck. A little more gambling fucking addiction right now, isn't it? Let's go. Yeah, bitch.
Order filled.
That's it. I'm done. That's it. Okay, tomorrow I need to make $200. That's it. I had to go all or nothing. I had to go full margin because I had to make sure I got enough money to survive the next month. Now, tomorrow I need to make $200 in order to be eligible for the first payout, which is a 90% chance if I randomly trade that will happen. So it's very promising that I get that payout. It's not quite hitting the payout yet, but tomorrow I have to play very safe. I have to just hit 200. Like this, I understand why people get addicted to this because I had to win. If that did not work, my personal account would have been back to zero. My prop firm account would have been blown. I blew the last challenge I had there, so I literally only have one funded account. But we did it! I think I'm gonna have a heart attack, man. The ups and downs of this challenge are crazy. This is not a good way to live. Do not do this. Get a job and then do this on the side. I feel really bad for the people who ruin more or less everything or put everything on the line and fail. Right, here's the morning. We're buying up on a 4-hour level. I only need $200 profit, then I'm closing it out. I spent $30 last night, which is all of the money I've spent so far this week on some groceries, eggs, things like this, just to survive the weekend. This payout needs to hit by Friday, but unfortunately it's going against me, so we're gonna have to DCA hard here. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. It's a very small chance that this doesn't work, but I'm gonna see you guys next week because I'm gonna cut this off right here and you guys are gonna have to watch the next video.